भगवते तुभ्यं स्वयं भक्तः प्रज्ञाभक्तिः सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. So we're done up to 28. Let us start from 23. Vidyudjalaschapalam kim durjanasangadavyavadayascha ulahinanetrasamvahye kalikalevi sajjanaeva chintamaniravadurvadihajam kathayami tacchavarvadram kim tadvadanti bhuyaha विधूततमसा विशेषेण दानं प्रियवात्सहितं ज्ञानमगर्वं क्षमान्वितं शौर्यं वित्तं त्यागसमेतं दुर्लभमेतच्चतुर्भद्रं किं शौच्यं कार्पण्यं सतिभवेरिं प्रशस्तमौदार्यम् कः पूज्यो विद्वद्भिः स्वभावतः सर्वदा विनीतो यः कः कुलकमलदिनेशः सतिगुणविभवे प्रियो नम्रः कस्य वशे विरजेत् प्रियहितवचनस्य धर्मनिरतस्य विद्वन्मनोहराका सः कविता बोधवनिता च कं न स्पृहति भक्तिः प्रवृद्धवचनानुवर्तिनं दान्तकम् कस्मै स्पृहयति कमला कस्मै स्पृहयति कमला कस्मै स्पृहयति कमला त्वनलसचित्ताय नीतिवृत्ताय त्वनलसचित्ताय नीतिवृत्ताय त्वनलसचित्ताय नीतिवृत्ताय त्यजति च किं सहसा त्यजति च कं सहसा त्यजति च कं सहसा द्विजगुरुसुरनिन्दाकरं च सालस्यम् द्विजगुरुसुरनिन्दाकरं च सालस्यम् द्विजगुरुसुरनिन्दाकरं च सालस्यम्. So this has two questions. कस्मै स्पृहयति कमला त्वनलसचित्ताय नीतिवृत्ताय त्यजति च कं सहसा द्विजगुरुसुरनिन्दाकरं च सालस्यम्. स्पृहयति स्पृहेरीप्सितः. So you use the word spruha in the context of something which is really liked. Kasmai spurhayati kamala. So Kamala here refers to Lakshmi, goddess of wealth itself. So Kamala kasmai spurhayati. Spurhayati when you use, you have to use fourth case. That is how that sutra comes. So kasmai spurhayati. We don't say kam spurhayati. Kasmai spurhayati Kamala. So whom does Lakshmi desire for? So the place of desire is always reachable. So in that sense, so whom does Lakshmi approach? With whom we will find Lakshmi. So there the answer is twofold. Analasachittaya nitivrttaya. Analasachittaya. The word alasaha means a lazy fellow. So how does it come? Na lasati kvachidati vyapriyate. So lasati basically means shines. Okay. So na lasati. So nowhere does he engage himself with any enthusiasm. So he is called alasaha. In fact, there is an alasa katha, I remember long back reading. So once apparently king wanted to test who is most laziest fellow. So he announced some reward. So all lazy fellows can come somewhere and stay for some time. So alasa katha. So many fellows came anyway. So declaring that they are lazy. So they stayed for some time. Then he cut something, and then so then nothing worked. So nobody was willing to leave. So he could not find who is the most laziest. Finally, he decided to set fire around the complex in which they were living. So many fellows left. So the fire was close, approaching. There were only some 2-3 fellows or so. They remained. Even then, I am still lazy, so even now I do not want to escape. So then we decided that these are the real lazy fellows. Anyway, so lasati vyapriyate means in doing some work. So nowhere they get engaged themselves. So that is why vyapriyate means engages, does work. In fact, even Bhagavad Gita somewhere. Anyway, so there is also this verse, no? This is a Subhashita, you might have learned. It's a very popular Subhashita. Alasyam hi manushyanam sharirastho mahan rituhu nasti udyama samo bandhuhu yam kritva navasidati. This is a very famous Subhashita. Alasyam hi manushyanam sharirastho mahan rituhu. Rituhu means enemy. Alasyam manushyanam sharirastha. So greatest enemy within your own body. Sharirastho mahan rituhu nasti udyama samo bandhuhu yam kritva navasidati. There is no greater relative than udyamaha. Udyamaha is putting efforts to achieve something. Yam kritva navasidati. Na avasidati means at no point of time will this person repent.
Avasidati means repent.
Sidati means dukham anubhavati. Yam kritva navasidati. Correct. Navasidati raghava. Avasidati. उत्साहवन्तो हि नरानलोके सीदन्ति कर्म स्वति दुष्करे. Correct. Ramayana. So, kasmai sprahayati kamala tvanalasa chittaya. So, this kamala should be taken as a metaphor. So, whether it is Virya Lakshmi or Dhana Lakshmi or Dhanya Lakshmi or Vidya Lakshmi, whatever it is. So, if you are a lazy person, you cannot achieve. So, therefore, Lakshmi sprahayati means wealth in various forms comes and reaches the person who is not lazy. Vanalasa chittaya. With great enthusiasm, he should set into works. Then he says, Niti vrittaya is another thing. So, Niti vrittaha means the one who leads life as per the well-established principles. Niti. Niti is well-established principles. So, analasa chittaya, niti vrittaya. In fact, there is an interesting verse. This analasa chittaya sprahayati. So, alasa chittaya na sprahayati, tejati. It should be there, no? So, there is an interesting verse which says, see, avyavasayinam alasam daiva param sahasachya parihinam pramadeva vruddhapatim nechati upagrihitum lakshmihi. A beautiful simile here. Avyavasayinam alasam. Okay. Daivaparam. Daivaparam means, you understand? So this fellow keeps on saying as everything happens very great. Daivaparam. Okay. So Daivaparam sahasacha parihinam. Okay. Pramadeva vruddhapasim. Pramada. Pramada is, we saw that. Pramada means three. Okay, a youthful lady. Vruddhapatim. So because it is Lakshmi, he is using this simile. As a young woman will not be seeking for an old person. Okay. Pramadeva vruddhapatim. The very old fellow, she may not seek him as husband. So, Nechhattipavihi Lakshmi. That is why Kasmi Sprahayati Kamala Manalata Chittaya Niti Vrittaya. So then the second half, Tejaticha Kamsaha Saha Yaguru Suraninda Karancha Salasim. Tejaticha Kamsaha. Sahara means quickly, immediately leaves. Okay. Tejati cha kam sahasa. So salasyam dvija guru sura nindakara. Three things. Dvija guru sura nindakaram. Nindakaram means one who keeps abusing, censuring. Whom dvija guru sura. Okay, he keeps on blaming the other fellows. So he does not put any effort. Dvija Guru Suraninda Karanche Salasim. So here, this Ninda Karam is generally, this is referred to by the term. In fact, we have this Veda mantra also. We have Asmahat Brahmanebhyo Vedavityo Dive Dive Namaskuryam Ashlilanki Etaye Vija. So na Ashlilan Kirtaye. Ashlilam is basically Ashlilam Nakirtaye. This is a passage from Veda. This is a beautiful usage. Ashlilam means something which, the words which can generate shame in others. So Ashlila can be of three types. Okay. So Vrida Janakam, Jugupsa Janakam. Okay. So Vrida Janakam, Jugupsa Janakam, then Amangalya Vachakam. All three are Ashlila. Okay. This is something which needs to be avoided. Okay. So Vijaninda. So I did all puja. God did not help me. That is not something. Nindakaram means, so you do not really put enough efforts and put it on other person. So it can be Vijaninda, Guru Ninda or Suraninda. Okay. The teacher did not teach us. So in fact we have very interesting episode even in Bhagavata. So this Prahlada was only singing the glory of Vishnu. So when Hiranyakashipu so calls Prahlada, he just says something. So initially Hiranyakashipu thinks that the gurus were at fault. So because Prahlada is saying something else, I asked him to be taught something else. So he started initially testing the gurus. Then finally he realized that gurus teach some other thing, whereas this fellow says something. So this is Guru Ninda. See the other thing that you have found is, I have found is this Mathadipatis may be there. So there will be various things. And this Guru Ninda, they will keep doing. They will find something which does not fit into their framework, and then they will keep on blaming without knowing what is there inside. Okay, he should have done that. He should have done that. Also Ninda, Guru Ninda. Okay, Vijay Guru Sura Ninda, Ninda of various types anyway. Okay, so if you do for Mathadipati, so then it is Vidajana. Sometimes it will be so shameful to them. So sometimes it will be disgusting. Sometimes it will be very inauspicious. Okay. So this Nindakaram Vakyam we should always avoid. And particularly Brahmanas. So this is what it says. So there may be some misgivings, some sort of things in every individual. So that is why Veda, I always felt, it always says, Veda Vidho, you just look at the good things in them, they have done this, they have preserved this, so let us respect them. Vijay Guru Suranindha Karanchasa. This fellow I have seen. So they will keep on blaming, this fellow will not do Sandhyavandanam. Okay? He does not know any mantra. Whereas this fellow will keep blaming the priest. If you are really qualified, you do something, then if you say something. But people who do really will not blame. Anyway, Vijati Jakam Sahasa Vijaguru Suraninda Karancha Salasyam. So Salasyam he said. Read. Kasmihi sprahayati kamala tvanasya chittaya niti vrittaya Vijati Jakam Sahasa Vijaguru Suraninda Karancha Salasyam Kutra Vidheyo Vasaha
Kutra Vidheyo Vasaha Kutra Vidheyo Vasaha
Sajjana Nikate Thava Akashyam
Sajjana Nikate Athava Akashyam Sajjana Nikate Athava Akashyam
Kaf Pariharyo Deshaha
Kaf Pariharyo Deshaha Kaf Pariharyo Deshaha
Shunayuto Lubdha Bhupascha
Vishnayuto Labdha Bhupascha Vishnayuto Labdha Bhupascha
Kutra Vidheyo Vasaha. Here again, we have only two questions, 72, 73. Kutra Vidheyo Vasaha. Vasaha is dwelling place. Okay. Kutra Vidheyo Vasaha basically means which should be made as dwelling place. Okay. Kutra Vidheyo, where should you go and live? Kutra Vidheyo Vasaha. There, Sajjana Nikate Athava Kashyam. There are two options. Sajjana Nikate Athava Kashyam. Kashi basically refers to the place which is called Varanasi. Varanasi is also a very old name. Kashi is also a very old name. Okay. So, Kashir Deeptau is the root. Okay, that is from this Prakasha also comes. Okay. Pra is the prefix. Kashir Deeptau. So from that the word Kashi comes. See, Kashyam Vasaha Vidheya. There is a famous saying which you might have heard. It's not easy to trace as it is that string, but similar idea is available in Java location. See, so people say Kashyantu Maranan Muktihi. You have heard it? Kashyantu Maranan Muktihi. They say. In fact, the place is called, there is a Manikarnika Ghat, etc. So the place is described in great detail. In fact, Varanasi is basically a derived word. See, Varana Asi. There are two rivers. The confluence of two rivers. That is what they say.
And between the two.
So that is what it is. Varanasi. Avimukta Kshetram is another term. Once attending some seminar, where people were talking about this Varanasi and its importance. So it is called Avimukta Kshetram. So that is how it is described. How do you understand the term avimukta? Avimukta, see, vimukta means one who is freed from, liberated. See. So avimukta means, so that is how people try to interpret, scholars. न विमुक्तः यः प्रदेशः दैवतगणैः means the place which has not been deserted by divine beings. Understand? So avimukta kshetra means wherever the God dwells. I mean, it is put in the other way. Okay. So that is why this Kashi is described as avimukta kshetra. Okay. Anyway, Sajjana Nikate Athava Kashyam. In fact, that was a place of so many ascetics and scholars till recent times. Even now, there may be a lot of people. But definitely, several years ago, so it was a place of great learning and great ascetics. So therefore, people always say, Kashi, 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 Kshetra Nivasam, Kalabhairava Darshanam. Anyway, Sajjana Nikate. So we have seen the benefits of being with Sajjana. Who is Sajjana? All that we have described earlier. So he says, Putra Vidheyo Vasaha. Where should you choose to live? Okay. Putra Vidheyo Vasaha Sajjana Nikate Athava Kashyam. So, Sajjana Nikate. So, remember the word?
Sajjana.
Praye. Santattayasi samschitasya payaso namaha vinajñāyate. So, that is why Sajjana Nikate they say. If you associate with Sajjana, then you also become Sajjana. That is why. प्रायेणाथम मध्यमोत्तम गुणः संसर्गतो जायते. So संसर्गतो जायते. Uttama gunas they are. If you associate, you also become uttama guna. So that is why they always say. Sangas satsu vidheya. We have this one. Remember? Satsangatve nissangatvam we have. And even here, this Sopana Panchaka, we have Sangas satsu vidheya. Tangas satsu vidheyatam bhagavato bharitadhitaadhiyatam. Shantyadih parichiyatam. Shantyadih parichiyatam. Dridhataram karma samsiddhatam sadvidvan upasatyatam padidinam tattvaduka seddhyatam brahmaikaksharamardhyatam Shutishiro vakyam samakaranyataam. So that is why Sajjana Nikate Athava Kashyam Sangas Satsu Vidhiyatam. That is what he is saying. Putra Vidheyo Vasaha. Okay. Sajjana Nikate Athava Kashyam. So Kashi is filled with Sajjanas. So people who are dedicated, okay, towards liberation. There are so many kshetras, even for Kaveri they have some similar verse. All kshetras are important and Kashi is so special. Back in the previous generation, people at the end of their life, they try to go and live in Kashi.
You can go to some places, 2 weeks they give you there.
Correct, but they try to take permanent residency there. They purchase some house and then they try to live there. And there is also another, I think, Purana says that Taraka Mantropadesha will be there towards the end of the life in that place. Anyway, so the other part of the verse says Kaf Pariharyo Deshaha. So which should be avoided. Okay. So what ambient should be avoided? Kapariharyo desha Vishunayuto lubdhabhupascha. Desha should not be considered as country. Desha should be considered as location. Okay. Desha is location, current location. In fact, that is how we have Digdesha Kala. So Desha means current location. Kapariharyo desha. Okay. So which place should be avoided? Okay. Kapariharyo desha Vishunayuto lubdhabhupascha. This Vishunayuta is so the location, this immediate vicinity. And the other thing is Lubdhabhupaha is another thing. Okay. So that is much larger space. So here one is smaller one. So suppose you are in an environment and the dialogue moves to some other direction. Okay. So towards Paishunyam. Now what is Paishunyam? Parasmai Pararantra Prakatikaranam. Okay. Parasmai Pararantra Prakatikaranam. Okay. So they keep on discussing about the flaws of others, etc. So, so blaming others. So if that is the situation, then you try to escape from that. So that is what he is trying to say. Vishunayutaha Kapariharyo desha. In fact, this is what people say, no? Complaining nature. English people say. See, complaining nature means you always look at something negatively. Vishunayuto. Then Lubdhabhupascha. Lubdhabhupa. Lubdhaha is Lobhayutaha. Lobha samanvitaha lubdhaha. So lobhaha is greed. Okay. So lubdha bhupaha. Bhupaha is the king. It's a greedy fellow. You try to avoid. Nayuto lubdha bhupascha. In fact, the Raghuvamsha kings were never lubdhas. They were always Tyagaya Sambhrita Arthanam. So you learn to share. Read the Vidheyo Vasaha Sajjanikate Athava Kashyam Kapariharyo desha Vishunayuto lubdhabhupascha Kenaha shocyah purushaha Kenaashochyah Purushaha Pranatakalattrena dhira vibhavena Iha bhuvane kasyochyah Satyapi vibhavena yodata This also has only two. Kenaashochyah purushaha. So here, if you see the pattern, the first half he says what is to be done, the second half what is to be avoided, something like that. Okay. Kenaashochyah purushaha. See, Kenaashochyah purushaha. So when can this person be considered as worryless? Ashocyaha. No need to worry about this person. This person free from worries. Kenaha shocyah purushaha. So if worry is from one's own viewpoint, worry can be from others' viewpoint. Understand? So there are some children who are free from worries by themselves. But the parents are really worried about them. Understand? This ashocyaha from both viewpoints. Kenashvachyav Purushaha. First part is from oneself. Pranata Kalatrena. Kalatram. See, Pranata Kalatram. Kalatram, in principle, can mean both husband and wife. Spouse. Kalatram generally is used to refer to wife. Kalatram Suta Bandhuvargah Prajurva. Kalatram Suta Bandhuvargah Prajurva. There, Kalatram. So there, one can take it as wife. So Pranata Kalatrena. Pranata basically means humble, submissive. Okay. So Prakarshena Nataha Pranata. Okay. Prakarshena Nataha Pranata. In fact, we had this verse yesterday. Last two verses from Bhagavatam. So there, see. Vandehe Mahapurushati Charanarvindam Pranatapala Bhavabdhipotam. So that is how it comes. Pranatapala Bhavabdhipotam. Pranatapalaha means those who are humble, those who have surrendered to you. So Pranatapala, that is how he is described, the Lord. Okay. Pranata Kalatrena. The wife who is so humble, and who is willing to listen. So it can be the other way around also. Okay. So Pranata Kalatrena. Nilakantha Dikshita writes various interesting verses. Yatra Bharya Giro Vedaha. While describing. See. So who is never willing to listen to you, and whatever she says has to be obeyed by you. So that is Kali Yuga. While describing Kali Vidamban, he says, Yatra Bharya Giro Vedaha. Bharya Giraha means words of the wife are treated as Veda Mantra. Yatra Bharya. See, Veda Mantra means, so you cannot violate it. So it is in that sense. Yatra Bharya Giro Vedaha. What is all this step? Pranata Kalatrena Dhira Vibhavena. There was a Pandit. I remember once we were in some ashrama for doing some Bhashya Parayana. The Vedanta Pandit passed away. So he was saying, Ram, I want he was just saying. So you don't know, I have one problem. So that problem you don't know. He was saying. So my wife will say that the hare has only 3 horns, and she will establish that. So Tham Padicha Mayalku 3 கால். This is a phrase in Tamil. So he was saying, so we will always do like this. He was saying, Pranata-kalatrena kenashvachyav Purushaha Pranata-kalatrena dhira vibhavena. What do you understand by dhira vibhava? Vibhavaha means Aishwaryam, Dhanam, Aishwaryam. How does it come? Vigataha bhavaha. Yena, suppose you say. Bhavaha can mean samsara. And here, samsara, one of the main aspects of samsara is daridhyam. Okay? So daridhyam, Tamil word part of it. Adanilum kodumai, ilamayil varumai. Kodumai means pitiable situation. Adanilum kodumai, ilamayil varumai. So Vibhava here refers to Aishwarya, wealth, by which you will be able to beat this. Understand? Vibhavaha means Dhanam, Aishwaryam, by which you will be able to circumvent several problems. The most important basic needs can be obtained. So if you do not have that, then you are really in trouble. So therefore, correct. Sundarambar. கொடியது கொடியது வறுமை கொடியது,
அதனினும் கொடியது இளமையில்,
அதனினும் கொடியது இளமையில் வறுமை. So வறுமை, poverty. Okay, so you will be able to overcome poverty by wealth. So poverty is considered as somewhat disastrous, particularly when you are in young age, because you cannot have nourishment. So which means the immune system cannot be built well. Right? Anyway, so that is Vibhava. Now here he is talking about Dhira Vibhava. Dhira Rupaha Vibhava. So Aishwaryam in the form of Dhira. See, Dhira Vibhavena. So Pranavakalatrena Dhira Vibhavena. Dhira Vibhavena. So we saw. So what is Dhira? You remember the word? Saw that, no? Dhiraha Kanta Kataksha Ishikha Nalunanti Yasya Chittam Nirdahati Kopakrishanutapaha Karishanti 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 bhuri vishayasthana lokapasi lokatrayam jayati kritsnamidam sadhiraha. So kanta kataksha vibhava nalunanti yasya chittam nanirdahati kopakrishan tapaha. See, so this dhira, in fact, dhira, I am reminded, there are dhira is used generally as brave. Bravery, you should take it in that sense. See, dhiro-dattaha, dhiro-dhataha, dhira-prashantaha, dhira-lalitaha. So there are 4 types of nayakas. The Kavya, they analyze. See, Rama is considered as dhiro-dhatta. Dhiraschaso udattascha. So dhiro-dattaha. See, dhiraha, he has lot of power, lot of skill, lot of ability, lot of guna and so on. Okay, so lot of self-control. So, and he is also noble in thoughts. Udatta. So dhiro-datta, generous, noble. So he is dhiro-datta nayaka. So there may be people who are brave and who have power, who have various skills, but they will be very haughty. So then they are described as dhiro-dhata. So dhiro-dhata nayaka. So they may possess various things, but they will be very calm, like a sage. So they will not act. So if the other fellow comes, let him think. So then he is called Dhira Prashanta. Another kind of nayakas. Okay. So and finally Dhira Lalita. He is just engaging in various sporty activities. Well, they describe nayakas. Anyway, but Dhira is so Yesham na chetamsi tayeva dhiraha vikara hetu sati vikriyante Yesham na chetamsi tayeva dhiraha. Lokenaha shocyah purushaha pranatakaladrena dhira vibhavena. Naya patat pavijaranti padam nadhiraha. Nindantu niti nipanam. Okay, so that is that half. Iha bhuvane kashochyaha. The next question is, so who is to be really worried about? Okay, Iha bhuvane. So in this world, kashochyaha. Satya vibhave nayodata. Satya vibhave nayodata. In fact, vibhave sati, satyapi vibhave nayo data. कंठे बद्ध्वा दृढां शिलां धनवन्तं अदातारं दरिद्रं च अतपस्विनं द्वाविमौ पुरुषौ लोके कंठे बद्ध्वा दृढां शिलां धनवन्तं अदातारं दरिद्रं च अतपस्विनं. So Dhanavantam Adataram, these two fellows, okay, Adataram, Daridrancha Atapasvinam. So if he is not tapasvi, what is to be understood is, if one is not possessed with wealth, then you cannot be extravagant. If you possess wealth, then you should share. So both these are to be considered as important principles to be followed. So both these are violated now. Vambhasi niveshtavyau kanthe badhva dridham shilam dhanavantam adataram daridran chatapasvinam. Kanthe badhva dridham shilam ambhasi niveshtavyau. He puts very, very forcefully. Tie a big boulder in their neck and immerse them into ocean. Dvavambhasi niveshtavyau kanthe badhva dridham shilam, so that they can't come up. Who are the fellows? Dhanavantam adataram daridran cha tapasvinam. Adataram dhanavantam. He just keeps on accruing. Daridra, so he does not have any restraint on spending money. Okay? So keep on using credit card. Daridran cha tapasvinam. But another, iha bhuvane kashochya satyati vibhave nayo data. Read this. Kenasochya purushah
प्रणतकलत्रेण धीरविभवेन इह भुवने कशोच्यः सत्यविभवेन यो दाता.
In fact, in Manusmriti, somewhere, while listing some principles to be observed by people, so he somewhere says, if you have vibhava, then you should not wear jirna vasa. Najirna malavadvasaha bhavecha vibhave sati. So in the context of describing something called snataka. Snataka means one who has formally completed his education. So and then there is something called snataka vratam. So you do vratas and then there is something called samavartanam before you get into grihasthashrama. So that particular stage is basically called snataka. While describing the qualities of snataka, which are desirable in you. So there he says, Najirna malavadvasi nasidet snatako vipraha kshudha shaktaha kathanchana Najirna malavadvasa bhavecha vibhave sati. Vibhave sati. It means you have reasonable resources. You should not pretend. Dirna malavadvasa. Dirna malavadvasa. There are a lot of meanings to this, but anyway, this vibhave sati, I think we'll stop here. Sarve Putikinashantu, Sarve Santaniramayaha, Sarve Kadran Pasantu, Makastu, Khabhari.